How to make passive income. 1. Rent out your clothes. You may have clothes that you no longer use but still want to keep them. Instead of throwing them away, renting them out can help free up some space. Earnings. Pay varies by item. 2. Play online games. Gaming can be a great way to relax, and if you have a smartphone, you could potentially earn money from it. There are a few platforms that pay gamers between $10 and $15 an hour. Earnings. $10 to $15 an hour. 3. Make money off Skillshare. To promote your skills, create an account and share how-to videos on Skillshare. You could also earn money by watching and commenting on these videos. Earnings. 5 cents minus 0.10 per minute watched. 4. Earn cashback from everything you buy. When you shop online, you could earn cashback when you make purchases using extensions like Honey or Gumdrop. Earnings. Varies in earnings. 4 ways to make passive income.